Haiti's at a turning point. She's had many turning points in her history, and this is a big one. It's always been more or less the elites in the cities, the elites who speak French, who are Catholic, the masses who are in the rural countryside, who practice Vodou, who speak Creole. And they're known by the Creole term le monde, ou le moun en dehors. The concentration of national life in Port-au-Prince was a result of the U.S. military occupation from 1915 to 1934. That the Americans centralized. That means diminishing the importance of the rural ports, Saint-Marc, Jérémie, Jacmel, Léogâne, that were vital and active port towns before the occupation. So everything was centralized in Port-au-Prince with the result we have now. It's a major humanitarian catastrophe as well as a political catastrophe. So decentralization is one thing. Integrating the rural economy into a national economy, you need infrastructure in the countryside. And that means all this international aid cannot go from top down. It has to be implemented from the bottom up at the village level, where the peasants are in a position to tell the international community what their needs are rather than have it imposed from top down.